Hello friends, thanks for clicking on this video, but it's more than just that. In fact, I am going to show you how to get more out of your callaloo plants. All of that is coming up. So right here guys, we have a rather small callaloo patch, green and healthy. Look at the size of these leaves. Notice the holes appearing in these leaves. That simply means they are fully organic, no chemicals. Right now we will be reaping some of that callaloo and I'll be showing you exactly how to make that cut in order to get more out of the remaining sprouts. So let's look at this one. It has several sprouts. It has a big sprouting right here, another one right there, another one up here, and there's another one further up top right here. So we will be making that cut just above this sprout right here. So now you will want to take your knife. You're going to make an angle cut just about an inch above the sprouting, just like so. So once you make that cut, then it will look something like this. So that's a 45-degree angled cut right there. So this shoot right here will be next in line to cut, as the plant channels its energies into these shoots to develop them. So I'll now do a second one to show you. We'll look at this plant right here. If you notice, you see one shoot down there, another one right there, and there's another one around the corner right there. So what we will do now is that we're going to make the cut right above that second shoot right there, that angle cut 45-degree. So this is something that is pretty simple. Anybody can do it. So I'm just going to make the cut right now so that you see exactly what I'm doing. So that's another 45-degree cut right there. Alright. So this is what it looks like now. So guys, I'll just do one more for the sake of demonstration. It is the same process. You count off the amount of sprouts and then you make that angled cut just above that sprouting. So I'll make the cut just above that third sprout right there. So I actually went ahead and reaped a few, and this is what they look like after the cut has been made. So if you notice, all of these plants has an angled cut, and all those sprouting that you're seeing there will soon develop into callaloo that can be reaped at a later date. What will happen now is that all of these energies will be transferred into these young sprouts that are coming up. So see, I have a nice little bungle right here that can be used in one of my favorite dishes. And whatever sprouts I'm showing you now, all of those will be removed in my next harvest. So all these sprouts right here, those big ones, all of them will be removed when I do my next harvest. Alright? It is looking pretty scanty right now, but in a couple of weeks, all this area will be covered with callaloo. So guys, you will always be reaping callaloo once you cut it like this, but if you cut it down to the ground, then you won't have anything to reap. So right over here now, what you're seeing are some pak choys that was recently transplanted into this area. Those are like about 2 days ago. They are doing well so far, so in a week I will show you exactly what the progress like. So guys, subscribe to the channel right now if you're getting value from this content, because this is the proven way to actually get more out of your callaloo plants. Give a thumbs up, engage me in the comment section, share it on your favorite social media platforms. If you want to know how to grow callaloo from cuttings, you may want to check out this video appearing on your screens right now. Thank you all for watching and happy farming.